In this video, we're going to see how to integrate IDX widgets into a HighLevel AI Studio site. AI Studio is the new tool released by HighLevel. This is the prompt I used to create the site with AI Studio, and it turned out very well. I asked for a luxury site for a real estate agent in Florida. Of course, some elements are not functional. The search tool, for example, is just a placeholder. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to replace those placeholders with actual IDX widgets. For that, we'll use IDXAddons. Let's start with the search tool. We have a few options for the search tool layout. Let's use this one. You can go through the features and options to fully customize it. You can change colors and the font. If you click on Preview, you'll see what it looks like. This should be fine. Let's copy the code. Now we can go back to AI Studio and ask for something like this. Please replace the search bar in the Hero section with the following code. That should do it. While we wait, we can go to IDXAddons to get the link to replace this Miami box. We have an app called One-Click Community that lets you create links for a city, county, subdivision, or zip code. In this case, we'll use a city. Let's pick single-family residence, Florida City. We have some widget options at the top. Okay, let's use this one and click Create. It will take a few seconds to build the link and add the ChatGPT text. Almost done. Let's click Preview again. Okay, it replaced the search bar. This should be functional now. For example, let's set a minimum price and a maximum price. If we click Search, we get the listings. And we have the link. Let's copy this link. Now we can ask AI Studio to configure that link in the Prime Location section. Okay, the last widget we'll replace is the Featured Properties section. If we go to IDXAddons one more time and open the Speedy Widgets app, you'll be able to select widgets you already created in IDX Broker. Let's use this one, Newest Listing. We can apply a theme under the Style tab. We have several options. In this case, we'll use Signature. You can also customize colors and fonts. Let's click Preview. Yes, the widget returns listings. Okay, let's copy this code. It's still editing the Miami link. Sometimes AI Studio takes a few seconds, depending on how busy the platform is. But let's write the next prompt. This will be the final prompt, replacing the featured properties section. And that's how easy it is to create a site using HighLevel AI Studio and replace placeholders with actual IDX widgets using IDXAddons. Let's wait for this to finish so we can look at the final result. You can implement, in a similar way, any of the apps available in the IDXAddons dashboard. There are several tools you can use to improve your website and generate more leads. Okay, it's done. Let's check the preview. The search tool we already changed is here. The Miami link now points to the correct page. This is what it looks like. Here are the listings. And finally, here is the featured properties section with the widget we created. And that's how you can easily integrate IDX widgets into a HighLevel AI Studio site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.